In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how much YouTube pay me for 3,000 views. And that amount is, as you can see right away, $34.16. I hate wasting people's time. When you watch a video like this, you don't have to wait to the end of the video after 10 minutes to see it. Nope, right away showing it $34.16 for roughly about 3,000 views. Because as you can imagine, when it comes to YouTube, sometimes it's kind of tough to pinpoint exactly a hard number of like say 3,000. And you can see here that I got roughly about 3,184 views for the course of 2 days. On this channel, I get anywhere between, I'd say, 1,500 and 1,700 views per day. So this is over the course of 2 days, like I said, and $34.16. Here's where things get interesting now. This is where we start going down the rabbit hole. As on this channel, I am documenting our journey to make $1 million on YouTube. And this few different metrics, a lot of metrics that determine how much money you can make on YouTube. But the main two when it comes to YouTube ads are views. As we all know, the more views you get, the more money you make. We all know this. But the big one that's gonna be a massive recurring theme on this channel is RPM, revenue per 1,000 impressions. And on this particular video, this is where it starts to become a lot more relevant. I already did a video about how much YouTube pays you, or how much did I get paid for 1,000 views. But when you start to get more views, like 3,000, this particular number, the RPM, starts to become way more important. So when I go down here, this means how much money do I get paid for every 1,000 views? So let me kind of close this bar here. As you can see, on average, the average RPM on this channel is $10.73 for these 2 days I am showing you. And if you do the math out, when you do the math roughly, that means it's kind of for every 1,000 views, I get $10.73. So as you can imagine, if you do the math out really quick, this divided by 1,000 times this number will equal this number roughly, right? And this is a big thing to keep in mind, because when you look at people like how much money do you get paid for 5,000 views, 50,000 views, 100,000 views, 1,000,000 views, the big number that is so important is this one. Even just a $1 difference from an RPM, as you can imagine, when you're getting a sugar honey iced tea load of views, if you catch my drift, this number starts to become way more crucial. And even when we look at 3,000, the average YouTuber, when it comes to an RPM, in case you didn't know, in America, speaking English, and it kind of stinks to say, but the language you speak actually determines your RPM. Where you are also determines your RPM, the length of the video, the topic of the video. There's a lot of different factors. But the average YouTuber, I'm gonna say, makes between $3 and $5 for every 1,000 views. And Mr. Beast has talked about this, how it's interesting, speaking about language, for example. I can't remember which one it is, so I might mess this up in an interview. I think it was on the Joe Rogan podcast. He was talking about how he has a bunch of different channels in different languages. And he found out that for the same video, everything the same, right? Looking at like A/B testing, right? Everything being the same. The channel in Spanish, I think, had a less or lower RPM than his channel in French, even though everything was the same except the language. Just because, for whatever reason, advertisers are willing to spend more money to be on a channel that, let's say, speaks French. Now, I can't remember if it was the French or the Spanish one that had a higher RPM. I think it was the French one, but that just shows how crazy this can be, a whole kind of toss-up. And on this channel, like I said, the average being between $3 and $5 for every 1,000 views, this is definitely a higher RPM than most people. And when I organize, like say, in terms of the 3,000 views-ish that we got over these 2 days, and I organize by the highest money-making videos, you can see this is where it gets even more crazy. Because when I go here, we're gonna look at these two numbers, right? We're gonna look at views and the estimated revenue. So we're gonna go here. Let me do it like this, right? So you can see the top money-making video for these 2 days was how to use the Waymo app tutorial. Waymo is a self-driving car. In case you didn't know, this channel used to be a ride-sharing channel. Now I've kind of rebranded it now as like a making money in different ways channel. Still talking about Uber, Lyft, the gig economy, right? But different ways to make money. And this one only got 33 views. That's it. Only 33 views over the course of these 2 days. Yet this is by far the highest money-making video, just because the RPM was $105.46. That is absurd. That means for every 1,000 views I get on this video, $105. That is crazy, because when I go down and I look at, let's say, these other views, let's look at like this one, for example. This one got 129 views. This one got 4 times the views, but made a third less, right? And if I go here, you can see the RPM was only $7.71, which actually still isn't a bad RPM. But in comparison, I mean, even this is a pretty crazy RPM. And in case you're curious, like, okay, Mark, what are these high RPM topics? Typically, and it does depend, anything about like making money, accounting, finance, the gig economy. On one of my other channels, which I talk about, like, it's like a vlog channel. I also do a lot of fitness and supplement reviews. Supplements, like if I review a protein powder, typically have a high RPM too. Sometimes it's as high as like $40, I think, for some of my supplements. So it's kind of crazy, right? And some of these, again, are about Lyft and Uber, but as you can imagine, it does depend. Like a video about just how to become an Uber driver doesn't hit the same as should you be an Uber driver and a Lyft driver in 2026. Granted, this video is 33 minutes long. Longer format videos tend to have an higher RPM, but not always. If you look at gaming videos, I'd say the videos that I have on my channel, on my vlog channel that are gaming, are about $3-ish for every 1,000 views. Gaming actually has a pretty low RPM, but it does depend. If I'm playing Pokemon Yellow, and let's say it's a half an hour long, me playing Pokemon Yellow, probably $2 to $3 for every 1,000 views. But if I review something about, like, say, a gaming piece of equipment, like a gaming equipment, or let's say I do a video like this is the Shure MV7 Plus microphone. Let's say I do a video called like the best microphone when it comes to gaming or streaming live or live streaming gaming or whatever. That video doesn't get more money per view or a high RPM because I'm like teaching you something about technology and blah, 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 right? So again, it does depend, but as you can see, as I scroll down here, this one, which is what, like the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, sixth highest money making video over these 2 days, after all these videos, $408.50 for every 1,000 views. I only got 2 views, yet it's the 6th slot. It made 80 cents. That's bananas. And then one thing I will say, and this is where it's going to become a lot more relevant on this channel, is there is this balancing act, because this is about the Lyft Job Access Program, right? This is such a specific thing that this is never, no offense to this video, it's not a bad video, right? But this video will never get 1 million views on YouTube. It is never going to get 1 million views on YouTube. Not even probably 100,000. I would be surprised it even got 10,000 views, right? This is not, it's such a specific thing. Yet, the RPM is very high. And sometimes you see this where it's almost this balancing act of, if I do a video about Fortnite, my RPM is probably going to be pretty low, but it's going to get a ton of views, which might make me more money. But if I do a very niche thing, like the Lyft Job Access Program, look at some of these other ones. I think I saw a high one here, like Lyft Insurance, why you need auto insurance if you're a Lyft driver, which 1, you definitely do. 2, if you are a rideshare driver watching this video right now, make sure you also have rideshare insurance, very, very important. $426. This is, again, a very specific thing. They got only 1 view over these 2 days and still made 43 cents. 2 quarters, right? You know, there we go, right? But this is a big thing that you're starting to see as on this channel, I'm starting to show you a lot more in-depth things with my analytics, the revenue, and especially the RPM. That the more views, the more I start reviewing than like how much did YouTube pay me for 10,000 views or 50,000 views, the more this number starts to become relevant. Because when we talk about getting 1,000 views on YouTube, I made $10 and 73 cents, like say if I got 1,000 views in this time period. Okay. But when you look at, again, bigger chunks of views, when you look at getting a lot of views, a $1 fluctuation in RPM can have drastic impacts when you're getting that many views. And you can see here that it is kind of crazy. Looking at, like, say, the top 5 videos, which are right here, that this video is light years ahead. 3 times more than almost every one. It's significantly higher. And it is just because of the RPM. And I will say this, my plan on this channel is to show you exactly how much YouTube is paying me for each big views category. So how much did YouTube pay me for 1,000 views, 3,000 views now, 5,000 views, 10,000 views, 50,000 views, 100,000 views. I will be showing you all of these metrics. And that's why I want to kind of really drive this point home as we're talking a lot about making money on YouTube ads, of how important the RPM is. And the good thing about this channel, which is kind of interesting, is as we're documenting our way to make $1 million on YouTube from YouTube ads, and again, in the description of every video, you can check it right now, you can see exactly how much money we've made up until the point that video is uploaded, but also the YouTube income milestones. How long did it take me on this channel? How long did it take us to make $100? and then $1,000, and then $10,000. In addition, you can see how long it took us to get monetized. And I will say as a side note, I will be doing like a dedicated video about how long the monetization process took on this channel, the tips I use, the tricks I use to kind of speed up that process, etc. But this is a big thing when it comes to YouTube money because, as you can imagine, if let's say you have an RPM of $10, so on average, let's round this to 10 for these 3,000 views, $10. But let's say I have an RPM of, let's say, $5. Still, I'd say an average RPM. Like my music production channel, in case you know, I have 3 different YouTube channels. My music production channel, I'd say the average RPM is between $4 and $5. Let's just round that to 5, right? So if I get $10 for every 1,000 views on this one channel, but then I only get $5 for every 1,000 views on this channel, I need 2 times the amount of views. I need double the amount of views in order to make $1 million compared to this channel, right? That is a drastic impact of an RPM. Like say if I have an only gaming channel and I just do like Let's Plays, walkthroughs, tutorials, I'm streaming, and I get $3 for every 1,000 views. I need I need 3 times more views on a $3 RPM to make what this channel makes. Meaning, I'm just making numbers up. That means I need, let's say, I don't know, as you can imagine, that means 3 million views on this channel will equal the same exact amount of money as 1 million views on this channel, if that makes sense. This is why, again, I've talked about the RPM a lot recently, and I know I've done a lot of videos on this channel about different ways to make money. Of course, I do talk about YouTube income a lot, but this is why I'm going to look at like the YouTube nitty gritty. Everyone knows about views. The more views you get, the more money you make. Everybody knows that. Even if you don't know YouTube, you get the concept. More views, more hits, more money. Boom. But the second one that, again, is going to be like a broken record, maybe even annoyingly so, that will be a reoccurring theme throughout this channel, is going to be the RPM. And this channel, I'd say on average, gets anywhere, when I look at the whole big picture, I'd say anywhere between $10 and maybe $16 as an RPM, which is pretty high. There's some periods and some months where my RPM was like $16, $17, $18. And as you can imagine, like that means I'm getting $8 more per 1,000 views. That's gonna get me way more money. And it's kind of interesting that, in case you're curious, this number does fluctuate. And that's where you'll see throughout every single views group that I do in terms of how much YouTube pay me for 5,000 views, 10,000 views, etc. The number will fluctuate more and more. And this is why it's very important, especially for a video like this or a channel like this or a concept like this to get to $1 million. The higher the RPM, the easier we're gonna get to $1 million because I'm getting way more bang for our buck. We're getting paid way more money per view.